Welcome to ESA's new submission platform. Whether you're submitting a symposium or session proposal or an abstract, you will first need to log in using your credentials for the ESA website. If you do not have login credentials for the ESA website, you can create an account by selecting Join Today or Create an Account at the bottom of the page. Once you're successfully logged in, you will be taken to your home page. At the top are helpful links where you can view information about Entomology 2020, view or edit your profile information, submit feedback, or request technical support. At the bottom of the page are links where you can view frequently asked questions. When you are ready to begin your submission, simply select Click here to begin a new submission. The first piece of information requested is the title of your submission. Be sure to use appropriate grammar and casing when entering this information. You will also be asked to select your submission type. If you're unsure what category is appropriate, click View Type of Submission Descriptions for additional information. Once you've selected the Submit button, you'll be taken to the task list for your submission. All of the tasks on this page will need to be complete before you can finalize your submission. Submission tasks and information required vary according to submission type. As you complete the information requested in each task, the icon on the left will be grayed out and a green check mark will appear. When you have completed all of the tasks on the task list, select Save Submission at the bottom of the screen. You will be taken to a new screen where you can review your submission information and select Submit. Please note that your submission will not be considered complete until all tasks have been completed and you have selected the Submit button. If you're submitting more than one session or abstract, you can select Home at the top to return to your home page. Here you will be able to view, access, and edit all of your current submissions, as well as begin a new submission if necessary. Once you've completed your work in the system, you may exit at any time. Should you have any questions during the submission process or experience technical difficulties, please do not hesitate to contact us using the information listed under Technical Support. We will respond to your queries as quickly as possible. Thank you for watching our video tutorial. We look forward to receiving your submissions to the Entomology 2020 program.